Hi, this is Zoe with Emerald Coast Off Leash. So I just picked up Scarlet. She is here for a board and train. So the owners have some issues with her jumping, counter surfing, stuff like that, not listening on the first time. So let's see what she already knows. Scarlet, come. Scarlet, come. Good girl. Yes, that's good. Scarlet, sit. Oh, almost. Scarlet, can you sit? Not quite? Okay. Do you know down? Do you know down? Say not yet. Okay. Scarlet, do you know place? Place? No. Place? Okay. Kind of. Scarlet, come. Come. Scarlet, come. Good girl. All right. So we're gonna work on that stuff and then we'll see you guys in 2 weeks.